Fast math tricks, complementary number. Sometimes when we try to perform fast arithmetic, we may need to use a concept called the complementary numbers. In order to get the answer of a calculation, we may need to find the complement of a number to complete the calculation. Therefore, it's important for us to know how to find the complement of a number as fast as possible to perform the fast arithmetic calculation. So what is complementary number? Complementary numbers are a pair of numbers where the number is obtained by subtracting a number from its base. For example, if the base is 10, then the complement of 1 is 9 because 1 and 9 add up to 10. And the complement of 2 is 8 because 2 and 8 add up to 10. And the complement of 3 is 7. The complement of 4 is 6. And the complement of 5 is 5. If the base is 9, then the complement of 1 is 8. Because 1 and 8 add up to 9, and the complement of 2 is 7. The complement of 3 is 6. And the complement of 4 is 5. Okay, so this is the concept of complementary numbers. For fast arithmetic calculations, usually the base are 10, 100, thousands, or 10,000 because it's easier for us to multiply or divide these numbers. Let's see this example. We have a number 28,176, and let's say the base is 100,000, and we would like to find the complements of this number. So we subtract 28,176 from 100,000, and the answer is 71,824. So this is the complement of 28,176 because these two numbers add together, we get 100,000. If we check the sum of the digits of these two numbers, we can find a very interesting fact here. For the last digits, the sum is equal to 10, but for all other digits, the sum is equal to 9. This is interesting. We can use this to find the complement of a number easily and quickly. Let's see this example. We have a number 43,718, and we would like to find the complement of this number. The first digit of the complement number will be 5 because 4 and 5 add up to 9. And the second digit will be 6 because 3 and 6 add up to 9. And what is the third digit? Yes, it's equal to 2, and the fourth digit will be equal to 8. And how about the last digit? We know that the last digit add up to 10, and therefore the last digit of the complement number will be 2. So this is a complement of 43,718. Let's see another example. So what's the complement of 582,826? Okay, the first digit will be 4. The second digit will be 1. The third digit will be 7. 8 and 1 add up to 9, so this is 1, and this will be 7. And the last digits add up to 10, so therefore the last digit will be 4. Let's see another example. 29,612. For the complements of this number, the first digits will be 7. And the second digit will be 0 because 0 and 9 add up to 9. And the third digits will be 3. The fourth will be 8. And the last one will be 8. Another example. 3,825. Okay, the first digit will be 6. And the second digit will be 1. The third digit will be 7. And the last digit will be 5. Okay, so that is how we find the complement of the numbers easily and quickly. Okay, let's see another example. 28,170. Let's say the base is 100,000, and we would like to find the complements of this number, and therefore we subtract this number from 100,000, and the answer is 71,830. And again, we check the sum of the digits, and we found that if the last digit is 0, then the sum of the last digit will be 0, and the sum of the second last digit will be 10. And all other digits will be 9. So we should take notes that if a number ends with 0 or 00 or 000, the sum of that digits will be 0. And for the sum of the digits next to this 0 will be 10. Okay, now let's see a few examples. Let's say we would like to find the complements of 43,710. Okay, we know that the sum of the first digit will be 9, and therefore the first digit is 5, the second digit is 3, and the third digit will be 2. Okay, now for this number, the sum of this digit should be 10, and therefore here this one should be 9, and the last one is 0 because the sum of this digit is 0. Another example, 582,000, the first digit is 4, the second digit is 1, and for this one, the sum of these two digits should be 10, and therefore this digit is 8 and all other digits is 0. 29,600, so the first digit is 7, the second digit is 0. This digit should be 4, and the last two digit is 0. And the last example, the first digit is 6, the second digit is 1, and this one, the sum should be 10, and therefore this digit should be 8, and the last one is 0. Okay, so that's how we find the complement of the numbers quickly and easily. Complementary numbers are very useful in fast arithmetic. Here I'm going to show you one examples of the use of complementary numbers in calculations. Let's say we would like to subtract 3,187 from 28,176. And the normal way for this calculation is we write 28,176 and then subtract 3,187. 6 is less than 7, therefore we borrow from the 10 digits. So this becomes 6 and this becomes 16. And 16 minus 7 is equal to 9, okay, and then 6 minus 8, again 6 is less than 8, so we borrow from the next digits, okay, so it becomes 16 again, and 16 minus 8 equal to 8, and this one 0 minus 1 again, okay, we need to borrow from the next digits, so this becomes 7 and this becomes 10. 10 minus 1 equal to 9, and 7 minus 3 which is equal to 4, and then this is 24,989. This is a normal way. However, a lot of people will find that this method is hard and is tedious. So we can do some small change to these operations to change these subtractions to additions. For example, this is 28,000. We take out 10,000s. Okay, we separate this 28,176 to 18,176 plus 10,000s. Okay, we separate this into two numbers. And then 10,000 minus 3,187 will be the complement of this number. Okay, the complements of 3,187. And the complements of this number is equal to 6,813. 6,813. So this number will become 18,176 plus 6,813. And then, if this has become an addition of two numbers, then we can do this easier and quicker. 6 plus 3 equal to 9, 7 and 1 equal to 8, 1 and 8, 9 and 8 and 6, 14 and 1 and 1, 2. So you can see that we can do these calculations much faster, and the chances that we make a mistake is much lower compared to subtractions like this. So this is one of the use of complementary numbers. We can use these complementary numbers to change subtractions to an additions. And you will find that we are going to use these complementary numbers again and again in a lot of these fast arithmetic calculations. So the concept of complementary number is very, very useful, especially in fast arithmetic calculations.